Assalamualaikum everyone. Today in primary 3 social studies class we learn page number 18, 19, 20 and 21. We read this chapter and we studied this map which is on page number 18. So in this chapter we studied about a country. There are 193 countries in the world and we live in Pakistan. Pakistan is in continent Asia. The population of Pakistan is 207 millions. As you can see, there are many countries in the world. So these countries are separated from each other with the help of these borders. You can find Pakistan on a map. Here is Pakistan and the neighboring countries of Pakistan are Iran is in the west of Pakistan and Afghanistan is in the northwest, while China is in the northeast. Can you see this China? After this there is India is in the east. Here is India, it's in east, and you can see this blue portion, it's the Arabian Sea. Arabian Sea is in the south of Pakistan. So these four are the neighboring countries of Pakistan: Iran, China, Afghanistan and India. We learned that each and every country have different cultures and their cultural values are also different. Their way of living and each and everything is different. We learn about the different parts of Pakistan. The north part of Pakistan are usually the cold areas, while the east and west of Pakistan are usually the dry areas which are known as the deserts. And the south area of Pakistan is a flat land which is very fertile because of the river Indus. The common crops of Pakistan are wheat, sugarcane, cotton and rice, but wheat is one of the main crop of Pakistan. We all are Pakistanis. We love our country, and then we read the story about Yasmin and John. They both have different nationality. Yasmin is Pakistani, while John is British citizen. Their way of living, their language, their culture, their religion, their each and everything is different from each other. In Pakistan, we have we have our own national identity, and our flag is different from every other country. We have our national anthem, Pak Sar Zameen Chand Baat. After this, we have some different cultures, our dressing, our language. Our national language is Urdu, our national game is hockey, and our currency is rupee. So Pakistan is different from other countries in many ways. Each and every country is different from other countries in terms of religions and their cultures. So today in this class we have done with the explanation of this whole chapter, our country Pakistan, and inshallah in the next class we will do question answers and the exercises of this chapter.